Yo, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to DMVComputerman's YouTube channel. Look, we're excited to show y'all the behind the scenes of this latest project we got going on up at WBGR Radio. If you've been following the channel, then you already seen some of the installs we've done in the hallways. Today, we're putting up some TVs in the soundstage area. So we headed over there now. I'm excited to show y'all what we about to get into. We at the radio station. That's the boss man over there, Lionel. We about to put 3 more up in there.
When we arrived, the staff greeted us and led us to the soundstage area. They also showed us where they wanted the TVs to be installed. We took measurements and discussed the best placement for the TVs. We started by drilling holes into the wall for the TV mount, and then mounting the mount onto the wall with screws. We also made sure that the cables were connected to the TVs and hidden inside the walls. After installing the TVs, we checked to make sure that they were working properly and functioning the way they should. And that concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed our installation process over at WBGR Radio. Stay tuned for the next video.